Hello everyone and welcome back to another Magical Moon video. Thank you all so much for your very kind Father's Day wishes. Today we're down here in the beautiful Enchanted Forest. We've got that lovely bit of cover which is providing the shade, which is making it workable, and we've got to get some materials from in the forest for another little job. And that is because we need to protect those plants which Jenny took from the secret garden and put out the front of the house. We need to protect them from the goats and the sheep, and obviously, bless them, the free rangers, Epalan and Stas, and any other animals that are roaming around. I think it's going to be a really good job, so join us on the journey. First job is to cut the lengths of wood so they fit in the bottom of the trailer, and then we're going to build it up because we need to get as much weight low down as we can, because Betty, bless her, has got to go all the way up the hill and over the top and back to the farm. And we haven't got any other way of doing it. In our wilding process of letting nature do its thing, it's all got a bit overgrown, but that's okay. We can come in here and we're just going to thin out the chestnuts. As I say, the first job is we need to get it so we've got a bit of weight, and hopefully it'll give her the traction she needs to get us home. Stage 1 complete, it's all on. Now it's over to Betty Ford and see if she can get all this back to the farm. Fingers crossed. I know I said fingers crossed, but bless her, Betty Ford has got all that material just to the opening, into that area we set aside to let nature do its thing. It's the wilding garden. There's loads of little oak trees and all sorts of stuff growing there. It is beautiful and nature is definitely taking over, but she could only get so far. We can't get the tractor down into the Enchanted Forest, but that's okay. She's made it to there, and in the future we know that's about her limit. So we're gonna, well, use the big guns. Toby's here to help me. We're just gonna give her a little bit of help to get her to the top of the hill. So let's go. We've done it, we've got all the material up here, but we've had to put a temporary fence up because I just know I'm going to get trump carded by the goats or the sheep or another animal before we get the fence in. But I'm really looking forward to how it's going to turn out. I think it's going to be fantastic. We've just got to work it out between us because we've got an idea, we've got the bits, we've got the lengths, but we just need to make it all come together harmoniously. So it's another challenge here at the Moon household. And on that note, I'm going to bid you farewell and say, stay magical and we'll see you very soon.